Today, electric vehicle charging infrastructure faces a critical challenge: how to efficiently manage power across multiple charging points without overloading the supplied site power. Meet LinkRay, the innovative solution that's revolutionising EV charging management. Imagine a busy car park where multiple EVs need charging at the same time. Without proper power management, this could lead to system overload and frustrated drivers. LinkRay steps in as your trusted guide, seamlessly balancing the power load across all connected chargers. Our intelligent system continuously monitors site power usage, adjusting charge rates in real time to ensure optimal distribution, all without the need for a cloud back office. But that's not all. LinkRay now offers seamless payment terminal integration, revolutionising the way EV charging sites handle transactions. With just one terminal for multiple chargers, you'll slash hardware costs and simplify the user experience. This means lower setup and running costs for you, and a smoother, more familiar payment process for your customers, just like paying at a regular fuel pump. Installation is simple, requiring no changes to your existing charge points or back office systems. LinkRay works with most major charger brands, making it a versatile solution for any site. LinkRay isn't just about managing power, it's about empowering businesses and drivers alike. It ensures everyone gets the charge they need when they need it. Take the first step towards smarter, more efficient EV charging. Choose LinkRay and transform your charging infrastructure load management today.